Hi children, how are you all? Hope everyone is good and safe at home. Today we are going to learn 3-digit addition and few means from your government textbook. Let's start the class children. So here is a 3-digit number and we have to add. The same way how we all add for the 1-digit number and 2-digit number, the same way, same procedure should be continued. What is the thing is you have 3 numbers. Okay, in 2-digit number you have 2 numbers and 3-digit number you have 3 numbers. How we all start? So write the place value. The first place is called as what children? Ones place. The second place, tens place, and third place is called as hundreds place. Why I am writing the place values? It will be clear for you all. Okay. So always when you add, what we should do children? Always we should start from your right hand side, that is from the ones place. The numbers which is there in the ones place you have to add first. So what is the number in the ones place? 2 and 5. So first number, keep it in your mind. Second number, show it in your finger. So 2 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equals how much children? 7. Okay. So the next is in tens place. So next is what? The tens place. You have to add the numbers in the tens place. So what is the number? First number 4 and second number is 2. So 4 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. After 4, 5 and 6. So 4 plus 2 is of how much children? 6. Okay. So the next is in hundreds place. What is the number? 3 plus 4. First number, keep it in your mind. Second number, show it in your finger. 3 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay. So the other example is, write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So let it be even the 4-digit number. You have to follow the same method. Always you should start from the ones place and it will be continued. Okay. So what is the number in ones place? 7 and 1. So first number, keep it in your mind. 7 in your mind, 1 show it in your finger. After 7, 8. You can keep it in this, or you can remember in this way also. So 7 plus 1 is what? 7 plus 1 is 8. The next number itself. Okay. So in that way also you can do. Okay. So what is the number in tens place children? 2 plus 6. So first number, keep it in your mind. 2 in your mind, 6 in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay. So what is the number in hundreds place? 4 plus 3. So 4 in your mind, 3 show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So now children, we will add 3-digit number and with 2-digit number. Okay, see, while arranging, see 3-digit number you should always write from the ones place, because you can't write this number as like this. It is wrong. Okay, you should always write the like this. You have to arrange the numbers like this. Okay, so from ones place. Understood? Okay children, now write the place value. So 3 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place and 4 is at hundreds place. So now we will add. First add the numbers in the ones place. So 3 plus 3. So 3 in your mind, 3 show it in your finger. 3 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals how much children? 6. So 6 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is how much children? 8. So in hundreds place, do you have any number here? No. So what you should do, you should bring down the number as it is. Okay. Okay children. Same way we see the other example. So write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So what is the number in ones place? 4 plus 2. 4 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is how much children? 6. Okay. So next number is 5 plus 3. 5, first number, 5 in your mind, 3 show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is how much, children? 8. Do you have any number here? So what you should do, children? You should bring down the 5 as it is. Bring down the number as it is down. So now we'll add 3 numbers. So write the place value, children. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So how we will add? You should start from the ones place. So first number, keep it in your mind. Second number, show it in your mind. Show it in your finger. 2 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer 7, keep it in your mind. The next number, show it in your finger. Third number, show it in your finger. So 7 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 7, 8. So 2 plus 5 plus 1 equals how much, children? 8. Okay. So the next is 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is how much, children? 4. So we have already learned the property that when we add 0 to any number, we will get the number as the answer. Same number as the answer. So 4 plus 0 equals how much, children? 4. So you have to add 4 plus 4. So 4 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals how much, children? 8. Okay, now add the numbers in hundreds place. First number 2 in your mind. 3 in your mind. 2 show it in your finger. 3 in your mind. 2 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5. Now 5 keep it in your mind. 1 show it in your finger. 5 in your mind. 1 in your finger. After 5, 6. Okay. So 342 plus 205 plus 141 equals how much, children? 688. So same way we'll do this. Write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So first number, keep it in your mind. 3 in your mind. 5, show it in your finger. 3 in your mind. 5 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, answer 8, keep it in your mind. Third number, show it in your finger. After 8, 8 plus 1 is how much, children? 9. Okay. So 4 plus 1. 4 in your mind, 1 show it in your finger. After 4, 5. So 5 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 1 plus 2 equals how much, children? 7. Okay. So the next is first number 2. 2 keep it in your mind. 4 show it in your finger. 2 in your mind, 4 in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 in your mind, 3 show it in your finger. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 243 plus 415 plus 321 equals how much, children? 979. Okay. Another example, children. We are going to add 3-digit number with 2-digit numbers. So write the place value first. Ones, tens, hundreds. So you have to add the numbers from the ones place. So start adding. 4, keep it in your mind. Second number, show it in your finger. 4 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. After 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals how much, children? 9. In tens place, what is the number, children? 1. 1 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 keep it in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals how much, children? 7. If you don't have any number, what you should do? You should bring down the number as this down. Okay. So other example, we have 3-digit number, 2-digit number and 1-digit number. See how I have written. Same way you have to write. Don't write this 3 in the hundreds place. So the value of the 3 changes. It becomes 300. So always you should write like this. Okay. So write the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. So first number 2, keep it in your mind. 4, show it in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in your mind, 3, show it in your finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals how much, children? 9. So 6 plus 1. As I told you, 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. Or you can go with the same method. 6 in your mind. 1, show it in your finger. After 6, 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. What you should do now? You should bring down the 8 as it is. Okay. Understood? Find the sum. Okay. We are going to add the numbers. So they are given the numbers. First you have to arrange the numbers. So write the place value so that it is easy for you all to arrange. So 2 is at 1's place, 3 is at 10's place, again 2 is at 100's place. The next 1 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place, and this 4 is at 100's place. Here 3 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, and 1 is at 100's place. So write the place value, children. 100's, 10's, 1's. Okay. So first number. What is the first number, children? 232. So 2 in 100's place. What is the number? 2. So in 10's place, 3. In 1's place, once again 2. Don't forget to write the sign plus. So next number. What is the next number, children? 441. What is the number in 100's place? 4. So write here 4 in 100's place. Next in 10's place, what is the number? 4. Once again 4. Right here. And in 1's place, what is the number? 1. Okay. So next number, write the sign and write what is the number in 100's place? It is 1. So write in 100's place 1, and in 10's place it is 2, and in 1's place it is 3. Okay. So now we can add the numbers. Okay. The same way, first we have to add the numbers in the 1's place. First number 2, keep it in your mind. 1, show it in your finger. After 2, 3. So 3 now, 3 keep it in your mind. 3, show it in your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 1 plus 3 equals how much, children? 6. Okay. So next is 10's place. So 3 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. 3 in your mind, 4 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. 7 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 equals how much, children? 9. So next number 2 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 6, 7. So 2 plus 4 plus 1 equals how much, children? 7. So you can write below. So 232 plus 441 plus 123 equals how much is the answer? What is the sum, children? 796. Okay. Understood? What is the sum here? 796. The example is add 842, 34 and 21. What is the first step, children? Write the place value. For 842, 2 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place, and 8 is at 100's place. So here I have only 2 numbers. For 2 numbers, what is the place value? 4 is at 1's place and 3 is at 10's place. Okay. So once again, it's only 2 numbers, 21. So 1 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place. So now arrange the numbers. Write the place value, 100's, 10's and 1's. What is the first number? 842. So 8 is at 100's place. So I am writing here 8. 4 is at 10's place. I am writing 4 in 10's place. And 2 is at 1's place. So 2 is at 1's place. So write the sign plus. Okay, next what is the number? 34. For 34, where I should write, children? Whether I should write it in the 100's place? No. Why? Because 3 is at 10's place. So you have to write 3 is at 10's place. Okay. Next 4 is at 1's place. So next is plus 21. So 2 is at 1's place and 1 is at 1's place. Okay. Now we will add. Okay. So 2 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in your mind, 1, show it in your finger. 6, after 6, 7. Okay, after 6, it is 7. So 4 in your mind, 3, show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 in your mind, 2, show it in your finger. After 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals how much, children? 9. Okay, so do you have any number here? No. What you should do, children? You should bring down the number as this down. Okay, so 842 plus 34 plus 21 equals, what is the sum, children? What is sum? 897. What is the sum? 897. Children, take out your government maths textbook and open page number 91. Take out your maths government textbook and open page number 91. Okay. So in page 91, so page 91, so we are going to add using the abacus. We are going to add the numbers using the abacus. So one example, it is already done in your textbook. So I am going to do that example now. So first one is 23 plus 11. Okay, 23 plus 11. How to do in abacus? So how many numbers you are going to add? You are going to add 2 numbers. So I have drawn here the 2 abacus here, 1 and 2. So I have drawn 2 abacus and this is for answer. This is for sum. Okay. So in first number, what is the numbers, children? 23. So 3 in ones place. So what you should do? You should draw 3 beads in ones place. So you can write here the place, ones and tens. Ones or units, both are same. Okay. So in ones place, what is the number, children? 3. So draw 3 beads. Okay. First number 23. So 3 is at ones place. So you are drawing 3 beads in ones place. So in tens place, what is the number, children? 2. Okay. In tens place, what is the number? 2. So I am going to draw 2 beads in tens place. Okay. Same way, write the place value. You can write units or tens. Both are units or ones. Both are same. Okay. Units, tens you can write, or ones, tens you can write. So in second number, what is the 11? So 1 bead in ones place and 1 bead in tens place. Now we are going to add. What is the method, children? First, what we have to do? We have to add the numbers in ones place. So you have to add the beads in ones place. So 1, 2, 3 and once again 4. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many beads you should draw in ones place, children? 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in tens place, how many beads are there? Count, children. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So write here T, that is tens place. You have to draw 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 23 plus 11 equals how much, children? 34. 23 plus 11 equals 4. See, count here. 34. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will check whether the answer is correct or not. So 3 plus 1 equals how much, children? 3 plus 1 equals 3 in your mind. 1 show it in your finger. After 3, 4. 4. So 2 plus 1 equals, same way 2 plus 1 equals 3. So answer is 34. So how many beads are here? 1, 2, 3. Tens place you have 3 beads. So here you have 3. So it is correct. In ones place you have 4 beads. In ones you have 4. So it is correct. Okay. So we will see another example, children. So here Ones, write the place value, ones and tens. So what is the first number? 52. So here are two abacus. For 52, I am going to draw 5 in tens place. It is in the tens place, so I am going to draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what is the number in ones place? 2. So how many beads I should draw here, children? 1, 2. Okay. Plus the second number. Plus the second number is 20. So 2 in tens place. I have to draw 2 beads. So in ones place, what is the number? 0. Should I draw any beads? No. Why? Because it is 0. Now we will add. So what you should do? You should always add the numbers in the ones place first. So what is the number? 1, 2. Here you have any beads, children? No. So what is the answer? 1, 2. So I have to draw 1, 2 beads. Okay. Now add the beads in the tens place. Okay. Add the beads in the tens place. So count, children. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in another number, how many beads are there? 1, 2. So 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. So how many beads I should draw here, children? 7 beads. Why? Because 5 plus 2 is 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we can check now. See here in tens place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have drawn here 7 beads. So in ones place, 1, 2, here you don't have any beads. So same way you can draw the 2 beads here. Now we'll check with this number, children. So 2 plus 0 equals how much, children? 2 plus 0 equals 2. Okay. So 5 plus 2. 5 in your mind. 2, show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So whether the answer is correct? Yes. So the remaining 2 problems you can do it for your homework. Okay. Now take out page number 92, children. Third main, add the following. Okay. So few problems I have written on the board. We will do it now. So what you should do first? First you have to write the place value. Ones, tens. First step. What is the first step, children? You have to add the numbers in the ones place. So in ones place, what is the number? 3 plus 4. 3, first number, keep it in your mind. Second number, show it in your finger. So 3 in your mind, 4, show it in your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is how much, children? 7. 4 plus 1. 4 in your mind, 1, show it in your finger. After 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So the next is write the place value. Ones, tens. Okay. 2 plus 7. 2 in your mind. 7. Show it in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 plus 7 is how much, children? 9. 3 plus 1 is 3 in your mind. 1. Show it in your finger. After 3, 4. So 32 plus 17 equals how much, children? 49. So next is write the place value. Ones and tens. 4 plus 0. If you add any number with 0, what is the answer? The answer will be the number itself. So bring down the number 4 as it is. So 2 plus 1. 2 in your mind. 1, show it in your finger. After 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. The remaining problems you can do it as a homework, children. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. Bye.